Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Seedance 2.0 has just received one of its biggest upgrades yet, native 4K video generation. Instead of generating at a lower resolution and upscaling later, it can now create videos directly at 3840 by 2160, delivering sharper details and higher quality visuals straight from the model. But here's the question. Is native 4K really worth the extra cost? Generating videos in native 4K requires significantly more computing power, which means higher generation costs and longer rendering times. What if you could achieve similar high-resolution results while saving up to 80% on generation costs? Here's a smarter workflow. Generate your video in 1080p with Seedance 2.0, then upscale it to 4K using HitPaw VikPea. With AI-powered video enhancement, HitPaw VikPea can intelligently increase resolution, recover fine details, reduce compression artifacts, and improve overall video quality, all with just a few clicks. Compared with generating directly in native 4K, this workflow can help you save up to 80% on generation costs while delivering impressive 4K quality output. So, which option should you choose? If you need the absolute highest native quality and budget isn't a concern, Seedance 2.0's native 4K generation is an excellent choice. But if you want the best balance of quality, speed, and cost, generating in 1080p and enhancing with HitPaw VikPea is a much more efficient solution. Would you rather pay for native 4K generation or save up to 80% with AI upscaling? Let us know your choice in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.